Hello, today we are going to see the greatest mystery of which came first, the chicken or the egg, through JavaScript. We will first create an array with egg and a chicken emoji and vice versa, and we'll use sort function.
As you can see, according to JavaScript, the chicken came first.
There is a simple explanation for this. As you can see, the Unicode for chicken and egg, when sorted by default, it uses ascending order, and in JavaScript the numbers are also taken as string. So, according to JavaScript, the chicken is first and egg second. Thank you.